We'll guide you through how to hard reset an iPad. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So make sure you watch this full guide and don't go and skip ahead, because we're covering different ways this can be done, because hard resetting can mean different things to different people. Some may mean essentially doing a restart. Because something's not working or they just want to go and refresh it, a hard reset can go and be done like that. Alternatively, some people may take hard reset as essentially a factory reset, removing everything from the iPad and removing all apps and files so it's then ready to be set up from scratch, maybe because you want it to sell it or something like that. So we're going to get started. So first of all, we're doing the option where essentially it's a forced restart and your apps and files are going to remain. This can often go and resolve problems if it's frozen, as we don't need to go and touch the screen. So go and have your iPad like this. So you've got the buttons in the top left here, and you're going to go and press this left button, then the right one, and then tap and hold the side power button. You'll see this screen here potentially. If it's frozen or black, you won't. Just keep it held down. We're only going to go and release it when we go and see the Apple icon. Surely it's going to go black. Keep it held down. And you see the Apple icon and you can release. And it's now starting again. Go and wait. It won't go and take too long to go and start again. As you can see, here it is, and then you want to go and swipe up. Go and enter in the passcode, and now you can go and use it again. Hopefully that's resolved it and what you want. However, as I said, there's another meaning as well. So what we can do is we can go and open up settings like this. Then what you want to do is come over to the left and go and find the option for general. And this is for if you want to do a reset and remove everything. Scroll down and find transfer or reset iPad. And you then want to go and find the option for erase all content and settings and tap there. You can then see what's going to go and be removed, your apps and data, the account, and find mine. You can press continue. You can press erase iPad and we can start the process by entering the passcode. You get the idea. Hopefully you managed to go and successfully hard reset your iPad with this guide.